As usual, we start with unpacking the embroidery machine. Carefully remove the packaging and make sure all parts are protected from damage during unpacking. Remove all components from the packaging and place them on a clean, working surface. Unscrew the fastening screws and install the crossbar. Align the part correctly before tightening the screws. Turn the frame over, unscrew the fixing screws on the other side, and install the second crossbar. Make sure both crossbars are positioned evenly. The wheels and leveling feet are already installed at the factory. Turn the table frame back over and secure the lower cross member. This part provides additional stability to the table structure. Unpack the toolbox with tools, accessories, and additional components. The set includes spare bobbin cases, bobbins, springs, reciprocators, felt pads, and needles. The set also includes a USB drive, an additional frame, and assembly tools. Here you can see the mounting screws, machine head supports, thread snips, screwdrivers, and wrenches. The set also includes hex keys for assembly and additional mounting screws. There is also a spare needle plate, an oil bottle, and a threading wire for pulling the threads through the machine. Unscrew the transportation screws and install the machine head onto the stand. Position it carefully to avoid damaging the mounting points. Tighten the screws securely to fix the machine head in place. This bar is not pre-installed because it extends beyond the dimensions of the box. That is why it is packed diagonally inside the box so that it fits properly. Unpack the bar and install it onto the stand. Remove the mounting screws from both sides before installation. Secure the bar firmly and check that it is installed straight and does not move. The machine is available for order at prizzisewing.com.